Hello, welcome to everyone in a video from this channel. So today I was showing you how to create multiple channels from using one Gmail. So you can open channels from using just one Gmail. So let's try it. So first just open your browser and go to youtube.com and just sign in from using this button. Put your Gmail and your password and just go to next. Okay, so now just go to this button and then settings. And then go to add or manage your channels. So if you see, now I have two channels. If I want to add one, just go to this button and now just put your channel name and go to create. So now if you see, we have a new channel. We can customize channel. We can go to YouTube Studio and all think like a new YouTube channel. So if you want to add another one, just go to this button. Go to settings and go to add or manage channels. So now if you see, I have three channels. I can add another one. Going to create a new channel, put your channel name and just go to create. So now if you see, we have a new channel. Name of the channel is my channel 2. We can customize this channel. We can go to YouTube Studio and we can do all things like a YouTube channel. So if you want to switch from this account for another account, just go to this button and just go to switch account. So if you see, we have here all of the channels were opened. Okay, so now if you see, where channel name is my channel 2, if we're going to switch account and going to bedwork has an end this channel. So now if you see, if I go into this icon, if you see, our channel name is bedwork has an end. Now we can subscribe this channel and do all things like a YouTube channel. So this is the process to open channels from using just one Gmail. So thanks for watching this video, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more tutorials. Thanks for all.